Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to manage your stress and enjoy peace. Stress appears as the feeling of physical or psychological tension. Physical stress comes out of fatigue, illness, or psychological tension arises due to anger, anxiety, fear, failures, frustrations like this. Stress can be positive or negative. Positive stress normally we tell as eustress and negative stress as we term as distress. Positive stress can motivate to do more works and distress may limit your path of movement. Negative stress may lead to indigestion, difficulty, headaches, sleeplessness. Stress is sometimes good and sometimes it needs to be controlled. The negative stress specifically needs to be controlled on priority. Stress management symptoms may be manifested in many ways, but 4 ways are very common: physical, mental, behavioral, and emotional. Stress feelings may be surfaced through worry, anxiety, anger, tiredness, like that. Physical symptoms may surface through headache, sleeplessness, dizziness. So, if not controlled in due time, several stress-related diseases can come up, like CVD, cardiovascular disease, IMD, immune system disease, asthma, diabetes, depression, digestive disorders. So like that it can accumulate. And not only one by one, it can come together also. The cost of stress may be enormous based on health effect and opportunity loss. It is said 4/5 of all diseases has their roots in stress. It costs over $300 billion every year to US company, as per report released on 15 January 2018. Now you think, what is the amount of cost of stress? We need to arrest it, no doubt. Stressors may be internal or external. Internal stressors may be negative thoughts, lifestyle, personality traits. And external stressors may be related to work-family conflicts, workplace conditions, social interactions, environmental situations, life events, like that. Most of the cases of stress are internal, based on our perception of the situation. There may be variety of causes for workplace stress, like conflicts, relationship problem, workload, changes at workplace, bad housekeeping, high noise, inadequate ventilation and lighting, abnormal temperature, overwork or less work, uncertainty of job, like that. So how to control this stress? Awareness of the problem, its causes, and how you react to the situation are most important factors to check and pass it. Then check how much you can cope with it and what can you do to limit the bad effects. Techniques of managing stress may be first to change the thoughts, because mostly thoughts are from internal factors. Mostly stress comes from internal factors. So then actions which will change behavior and ultimately changing lifestyle. So techniques of managing stress, first to look after your thoughts. What are the types of thoughts? Thoughts should be positive instead of being negative. And try to take away the negative thoughts. Then your actions will change, behavior will change, and your lifestyle will change. Change your behavior, be assertive, think right, offer equality of opportunity, allow people to exercise their rights, learn to neglect unimportant things, set goals and plan the tasks accordingly, remain engaged. This will help to ease mental tension. Humor, good diet, exercise, leisure, good sleep, healthy eating habits, and similar other lifestyle changes can help reducing stress. Fear must not be allowed to enhance OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. Obsession comes up when unwanted distressing thoughts or images repeatedly enters mind and creates anxiety, anger like that. So stress must be controlled to control these bad effects. Stress level may be naturally high in lockdown period for lack of exercise, conflicting situations on division of homework, fear of viral contamination. Now what can be done? All those will be there. It may be there for a long time. Then what to do? Now what can be done to bring down the stress level? So let us discuss one by one how we can bring down the stress level in this time. Learn to neglect minor disturbances and don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Neglect the minor disturbances. That is the main point. Think positive. Practice deep breathing. Practice yoga. Some yogasanas can help you well. Practice meditation, especially mindfulness meditation. Have massage of your body. That also help you a lot to get rid of stress or to reduce level of stress. So slow down your works. Take a break at times. Sometimes take a break and relax. Rest, relaxation and sleep can bring a lot of benefit to you. Get engaged in hobbies. Keep your mind engaged in good works. What you like most. Connect to friends. Talk to them. Talk to them by heart. You will enjoy. Share your problems. At times be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself. You are your best friend. Get engaged in self-care activities. Know yourself. Know your body. Know your body organs. Care for them. Care for those things. Go for a nature walk. Refresh your mind. Get a hug from a loved one. Have balanced diet. Enjoy eating. Enjoy your leisure time. Do what you love to do. And love what you do. Express gratitude. Once you show your gratitude, you feel happy. Accept change and be flexible. Think change is unacceptable. Change has to be accepted. Change will be always there. So change yourself according to the societal change. And be flexible to accept change. So openness to learning. Read good books. Good blogs. See YouTube blogs. Learn. Be open to learn more and more things. Your self-awareness is your best asset. See comedy movies. Listen to music. Music will change your mind. If you are in stress, it will change your mind. Forgive and forget. Forgive not only for those who hurt you, but for yourself, because your stress level will come down. Do not dwell on the past. If past is pinching, it will disturb your present also. So accordingly, your future will be unnecessarily hampered. So do not dwell on the past. Learn to say no. You cannot do all the things. Don't accept everything to do and remain stressed. Laugh a lot. Laugh by heart. As told earlier, talk to your friends and laugh together. Have fun. Try to enjoy every moment in life. After all, life is what? Life is an accumulation of a few years, few days. So enjoy every day, enjoy every moment. Care more to minimize internal stressors, because stress mostly comes from internal factors. Stay alert on external factors also. Stay alert for external stressors. So it is not stress that kills us, it is our reaction to it, as Mr. Hans Saleh has told. So take care of your body, take care of your mind, be strong physically and mentally. Have a good life. Thank you.